Okay, I want to clay bar a little bit of the hood, if you can hear it. It's like really bad, it's like a sandpaper right now. And this is actually a clay bar from Chemical Guys. And it's worked really well. If you can see, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, how much dirt is here. And you hear it? Nothing. And here? So basically you can use a clay lube or soapy water. It's worked really well with any of those, wherever you have handy. This is soap, Maguire car soap, so it's not any kind of dish soap or anything like that. And when you clay it, use it in one direction, small strokes in one direction. Do not do circles, because you're gonna create more swirl marks. Use it up and down or left to right. This is the best way how to use it. You can use a clay bar basically on anything, on the headlights, on the glass, on any surface, painted surface, plastic, like the glossy plastic, or so basically you can just clean like this. This is same Chemical Guys clay bar. And it's look like this.